Hello everyone, and welcome back to the CEO Nutrition Education channel. My name is Alana, and I am a nutrition educator for the Commission on Economic Opportunity. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a refreshing citrus cucumber flavored water. Before we begin, it's very important that we remember to wash our hands using soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds to ensure safe food preparation. After we've done that, we can grab our ingredients and get started making our citrus cucumber flavored water. Eight cups of cold water, 1 large lemon, 1 large lime, 1 large orange, and 1 large cucumber. I only had the mini cucumber variety available at my grocery store, so I'll be using 3 mini cucumbers for this recipe. Scrub all fruits and cucumber thoroughly under running water. Cut the citrus fruit into thin slices, with or without peeling. And put in a pitcher. Cut the cucumber into thin slices, with or without peeling. Add cucumber slices to the pitcher. Add water, stir well, and refrigerate for 2 hours before serving. Then, keep it cold to keep it safe. Drink within 2 days for best quality. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment on our posts or send our nutrition educators a direct message with any additional questions, comments, or concerns.